the silent reputation risk most brands don't see. Right now, someone is asking AI about your company, not Google, not your website, AI. And within seconds, a system is generating a summary of who you are, what you do, and whether you're worth trusting. You probably haven't audited what it says. You probably assume your SEO covers you. It doesn't. We've entered a new phase of digital visibility, one where your brand is no longer discovered page by page. It's synthesized into a conclusion, and that changes everything. For decades, digital visibility meant ranking. You optimized pages, you earned backlinks, you improved position, users compared options. AI doesn't show options. It produces answers. That single difference concentrates narrative power. When someone Googles you, they see 10 blue links. When someone asks AI about you, they get a paragraph. That paragraph feels authoritative. And you didn't write it? It's tempting to call this SEO 2.0 and move on. But this isn't just search optimization with a new label. Search engines rank. AI systems synthesize. Search shows alternatives. AI delivers conclusions. Search rewards authority signals. AI rewards signal consistency and probabilistic coherence. If your public footprint is vague, outdated, or inconsistent, the model doesn't stay silent. It fills the gap. And gap filling is where risk lives. Your brand is no longer just your website or your LinkedIn page. It's everything publicly available about you. Old blog posts, archived interviews, Reddit threads, forum speculation, directory listings, competitor comparisons. AI systems ingest all of it, then they compress it. That compression decides what gets emphasized, what gets ignored, and what gets inferred. You are not just managing content anymore. You are managing the inputs, shaping a probabilistic summary of your identity. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. Large language models prefer specificity. If faced with a vague truth or a clear but flawed claim, they often lean toward the clear claim, even if it's outdated, even if it's partially wrong. This isn't malicious. It's mathematical. Models are trained to produce the most coherent answer based on available signals. If you never explicitly state what you don't do, the model may infer that you do. If you never close ambiguity gaps, the system will smooth contradictions into something that sounds right. In AI systems, specific falsehoods often beat vague truth. Most brands are not structured to defend against that. The predictable reaction to this shift is volume. Publish more content, create more AI-friendly articles, target more keywords, produce more blog posts. Some companies are publishing hundreds of thousands of words specifically to influence chatbot responses. But volume does not equal clarity. More content can actually increase inconsistency. More pages mean more potential contradictions, more outdated fragments, more ambiguous statements. AI systems don't reward noise. They reward reinforced coherence. This is the difference between content marketing and signal engineering. Content marketing asks, how much can we publish? Signal engineering asks, what precise signals are shaping AI output? That's a completely different mindset. There's another dynamic most executives don't realize. AI systems often heavily weight discussion platforms. Reddit, Quora forums, aggregator sites. A single negative thread from years ago can quietly influence how your brand is described today. An outdated comparison can persist long after you've pivoted. A speculative comment can be synthesized as fact. This isn't drama, it's structure. AI pulls from what's available. It reinforces what appears coherent. It smooths contradictions. If you're not shaping the signal environment intentionally, the system shapes it for you. At this point, the question becomes simple. What do we do? The answer isn't panic. It isn't prompt tricks. It isn't mass publishing. It's infrastructure. AI reputation infrastructure means building a public signal environment that is explicit, structured, reinforced, monitored, and competitive aware. It means publishing clear definitions of who you are and what you do. It means publishing explicit negatives. We do not offer this. We have never done that. We are not affiliated with them. Models fill gaps. Explicit negatives close them. It means reinforcing your core claims consistently across your digital footprint. It means auditing how multiple AI systems describe you, not just one. It means understanding what AI says about your competitors and where perception gaps exist. This is not SEO. This is structural narrative control inside a probabilistic ecosystem. It's easy to slip into fear here. The idea that AI controls your reputation feels unsettling. But here's the reality. AI does not invent from nowhere. It synthesizes public signals, and public signals can be engineered. You may not control what AI says in every moment, but you absolutely control what it learns from. That's the shift. From AI is speaking for me, to I am shaping the inputs. AI draws from, that move restores agency. Right now, brands are splitting into two camps. One camp reacts. They publish more. They chase mentions. They celebrate appearances. They treat AI like another marketing channel. The other camp builds structure. They identify ambiguity gaps. They close inference vulnerabilities. They publish structured truth. They monitor synthesis. They reinforce identity signals consistently. The first approach is loud. The second approach compounds. Over time, structured clarity outperforms volume. Because AI systems reward reinforced coherence, for decades, brands fought for the first page of search results. Now the first page is often a paragraph, a synthesized answer, a summary that may determine whether someone trusts you, calls you, or dismisses you. People are increasingly asking AI before they search. That makes AI the new first impression layer, and first impressions shape outcomes. The risk isn't that AI exists. The risk is assuming your traditional visibility strategy is enough. Looking good online is not the same as being synthesized accurately. In a probabilistic world, silence invites inference. Vagueness invites assumption. Inconsistency invites distortion. Clarity invites alignment. The brands that understand this early won't just appear in AI answers, they'll shape them. And in an era where AI increasingly becomes the first conversation about your business, shaping that narrative isn't optional. It's infrastructure.